What's up, everybody? Me and Rogan are here in Utah chasing elk, and I was fortunate enough to be successful. And this right here is what me and Joe are going to be cooking today. This is a full elk tomahawk. I call them back racks.
Wild game, I think, is the most delicious meat. And if it's prepared correctly, low and slow like this, it's 100% organic. You're eating a wild animal that's been living a wild life. I mean, it doesn't get any better.
Go ahead and season this up, and we're gonna go ahead and put this on, and when it hits 120, we're gonna take it off, stage it, cook our vegetables, and then Joe's actually gonna be my sous chef today. Amazing. These are gonna be like 2-pound tomahawks for each guy. We've got some buddies here that's gone. It's official. A full elk backstrap fits in a Pro Series 34. All right, man, let's hydrate and get ready for some chow and the evening hunt. We're getting ready to do some asparagus. So we're gonna go ahead and season up this asparagus. I'm gonna put those right on the grill. Right there is first cut.
Said we're doing a reverse sears. Cook it slowly until it reaches an internal temperature about 120 degrees, and then searing it on the outside.
This is what Traeger does for an elk camp, right there.
It was pretty fantastic.